What up, YouTube? We're gonna be changing the error warning device. This is the new one. That's the old one. It's behind the your dash there. All your info there goes behind that strip. So when you take it out, you gotta do on 2 screws, the plug. It's in this housing. Just clip it out, be very gentle, pull it out, and right there is your warning device that makes the buzzing sound. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop it out, very gentle. It's the old one there. New one here, they sell it at Freightliner. We're just gonna pop the new one in. You're gonna make sure it says you got your positive and negative. Make sure you get your positive on your positive side there. Should just pop in that slot. Go ahead, slide it back inside. Be very gentle. Should just clip right in, just like that. It's the back where your plugs go. That plug right into there, and then got it all plugged in. Make sure it clips in. That's just gonna sit just in there. 2 clips hold it in there. Got 1, 2. Put back your strip. Of course, can't forget the chrome. And put it back there. Alright, we got our screws all in, chrome bezel in. Turn the key, and we have a buzzer. We are in business. Oh yeah. You can get this part at Freightliner, part number 550502. It's a Bendix part. Pretty simple. It's not bad, but yeah. If your buzzer doesn't work, give this a shot.